Welcome to the Book MBA community. Today, we're diving into a book with a title that doesn't pull any punches. If you aren't first, you're last, by the one and only Grant Cardone. Now, this isn't your typical feel-good, everyone gets a trophy kind of read. Cardone delivers a high-octane, no-nonsense philosophy centered on one core principle: relentless pursuit of success and market dominance. If you aren't first, you're last isn't just a catchy phrase for Cardone, it's a business mantra, a way of life. He argues that in today's hyper-competitive landscape, settling for second place, or even just participating, simply isn't a viable long-term strategy. The book isn't about cutthroat tactics or unethical behavior. Instead, it's a powerful call to action, to become a force to be reckoned with in your industry, to innovate, to dominate, and to never become complacent. Cardone dismantles the myth of good enough. He challenges the idea that simply working hard is a guarantee of success. According to him, effort needs to be coupled with a burning desire to be the best, a refusal to be out-hustled or outmaneuvered. The book emphasizes the importance of setting audacious goals, what Cardone famously calls 10x goals, and then taking massive action to achieve them. He argues that most people underestimate their potential and set their sights far too low. One of the key pillars of Cardone's philosophy is the concept of becoming known. He stresses that in today's noisy marketplace, obscurity is the enemy. You and your business need to be visible, memorable, and consistently top of mind for your target audience. This involves aggressive marketing, consistent communication, and building a powerful personal and brand presence. Cardone shares practical strategies for getting noticed and staying relevant in a crowded field. The book also delves into the critical importance of sales. Cardone, a master salesman himself, emphasizes that everything in business boils down to sales. Whether you're selling a product, a service, or even an idea, your ability to persuade and close deals is paramount. He provides insights into his own sales techniques, stressing the importance of understanding your customer, overcoming objections, and always following up. Sales, in Cardone's world, isn't a dirty word. It's the lifeblood of any successful enterprise. Furthermore, if you aren't first, you're last, tackles the dangers of complacency. Cardone warns against becoming satisfied with current success, arguing that the moment you stop pushing and innovating is the moment you start sliding backward. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and only those who remain agile, adaptable, and hungry for growth will survive and thrive. The book isn't just about individual success. It also addresses building a winning team and creating a culture of dominance within your organization. Cardone emphasizes the importance of hiring ambitious, driven individuals who share the same relentless pursuit of excellence. He also discusses the need for strong leadership that inspires and motivates the team to constantly strive for the top spot. However, it's important to note that Cardone's approach is intense and may not resonate with everyone. His direct, often aggressive style can be polarizing. But beneath the bold pronouncements lies a powerful message about ambition, perseverance, and the unwavering commitment required to achieve extraordinary results in business and in life. If you aren't first, you're last is a wake-up call for anyone who's serious about making a significant impact. It's a challenge to shed limiting beliefs, set bigger goals, and take the massive action required to not just compete, but to truly dominate. It's a reminder that in the world of business, settling for anything less than being the best might just mean being forgotten. What are your thoughts on Cardone's philosophy? Do you agree with his emphasis on being first? Share your perspectives in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more hard-hitting insights into the world of business and success, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Book MBA. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, according to Cardone, let's all strive to be first.